So hello guys, my name is Aman Goshal and you are people are watching Hackdroid. So today I will tell you to how you can become a programmer in a Python. So now we need to start with the Jupyter notebook. So here I will start. So here you see we can write our first code. I will tell you how you need to install a Jupyter notebook or some like a Python software. You can install any type of software in your system here. So now I will start to write a first program in a Python. So here you see. So I think you are beginner guys. So I will start with the first program here. I will show you some integer string, like what is that. So if we can write like something, we can write in a integer. So we need to write it's a equal to 10. So here it is an integer. If you see that, so I will write a equal to 10. So I will print a. You can see here a, and here I print the value of a is 10 because I will just get a integer value and make sure you store in a variable in an integer, and I will that print. So the value we get here is 10. Now we can move to a next step. I can write here string. String is something, any type of like I can create a variable that name is string here. So I can write in a quote like my name is. So just paste and print the variable that's name is string, and here you can see that is a string. So now we can start our first program. Here I will show you like some basic mathematical equations here, so you can just need to know and learn to about it. So just suppose a equal to 10, b equal to 20, so c equal to a plus b, then the value of c equal to a plus b means 10 plus 20, and I need to print that value. So make sure you can use print here, and the result is 30 here. So you see it's so simple to write a program in this type of equation. So we can move to the next step. I can use this variable in that case, in that field. So I don't need to write anything. D equal to a minus b, e equal to a into b, and f equal to a divided b. Make sure you need to print all the variable. If you want to print here like d, I can copy here, paste and paste. Just make sure you can change all the variables here, e and f, and just make sure you can print that. So the value of first like d, a minus b, the value of 10 like 10 minus 20, so that value is minus 10. And if you can multiply the variable like b into a, 20 into 10, then it's officially like the result is around 200. And if you can divide 10 divided 20, then the value is 0.5. You can see here. So I hope you people like this video. If you like this video, then make sure you can subscribe our channel for more updates. It's our first tutorial. We can move to a next tutorial now. Thank you.